Once the new season of the St. Catherine Major League gets underway, pending approval from the government, at least one team is hoping to have a new field to play on, as improvement work is set to get underway. Denise Walters tells us more.
According to Robert Garrix, a member of the Linstead Community Development Committee, CDC, it's been a labor of love trying to get the necessary funding from the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, since 2015 for upgrade work to the football field at the Linstead Primary that Marcus Garvey FC have been granted permission to use. Now, permission for the upgrading work to the field was granted in 2016 by SDF. However, there are other considerations, including building a perimeter wall that will cut significantly into the budget.
There's a river or there's a pond. We want the wall to be so built so that we could harness the water from the pond to manicure the field. But the wall is going to cost somewhere in the region of about $15 million. If we do the wall, it's going to cut into a whole heap of the money that we need now to do the rest of the field.
But what's the contingency plan?
Right now we are thinking we probably are going to put up the foundation wall and then temporarily use chain link fence until the rest of money is found to put up the permanent wall. So we can put the stands on it.
Garrick says in the meantime, other developments have taken place within the project.
So the hard court, which is part of the project, has already been redone. So a lawn tennis, a netball and a volleyball court is already in there.
Meanwhile, president of the Marcus Garvey FC, Clement Sepidons, says the fieldwork hasn't started because word from the SDF is that there isn't enough money to fund that aspect just yet.
So I'm depending upon the government, Sport Development Foundation, to convert around here because we are a major league team and we're going to need a good stadium to play major league.
Clement Dehaney, manager of the club, welcomes the move to upgrade the field and says that while they await the assistance from the government, they will also be taking matters into their own hands.
We have plans. We are planning to put on a nice fish fry or a cookout just to raise some fund from the community towards the team. Because sponsorship in these times kind of really hard, so we have to do something for ourselves in the meantime.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.